Hey fairies, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna be taking Sofia on her horse riding lessons. Yes, I signed her up for summer, so no more school. Yay! Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, again. So let's just fix the bed, or maybe clean it. Put the pillows back. Okay, now we're done. So yeah, let's see here. What should we do next? Oh my gosh, Michael. Hey there. Finally you're not sleeping while working, 'cause you always sleep when you're working. What? I don't. Don't be silly. Yes you do, Michael. You just don't know it. And how come you don't know it? Like, you always sleep while you're working. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways, let's go to the kids. Let's see what they're up to. Alright, let's go to the baby's room first. Yeah. Okay. Oh, hey there, Teddy. You're so cute. I am so lucky I gave birth to you, Teddy. You're so cute. I love you. I love you. I love you. Anyways, let's just change your clothes, okay? So come here, Teddy. Come here. It's fine. Come here. Let's see. This, no, it's too plain. This, it's too hot today. Oh, this, perfect. It looks very glossy. And then this beanie, you love beanies, Teddy. Okay, take off your sunglasses. And what else? So yeah, I guess you're all set. Let's just put you in your stroller. There. And then what else? Oh, Teddy's so cute. Especially when he laughs. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Anyways. Alright, time for Daisy. Hey Daisy, it's time to change into a good outfit. So we could go to like the countryside. So we could have your sister's lessons, okay? Go, Daisy. Okay, Mommy, I will. Alright, just you, Daisy. Anyways, now to the twins. Have so much kids. Alright, guys. You're so cute. Cuties, 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 cuties. Hi, cuties. Hi. Anyways, I'm gonna take you guys on a bath because, like, last night you guys didn't take a bath, but Teddy did, so yeah. Okay. So, I'm just gonna take her on a bath and skip to the part where we are at the bathroom, I guess. Yeah. Alright! Come and get ready with me! Come get ready with Daisy! Alright, so I'm thinking of a all-yellow theme. I want to be all yellow fit. All yellow fit. It's good to have these yellow shoes, but it has purple shoelaces, I don't know why. And these sunglasses, yellow sunglasses. So perfect. It's so cute. I don't have a yellow jacket or something, but yeah, yay! I'm in the bathroom now. So let's just take Ali on a bath. So turn on the faucet. Take the bathtub, I guess. There. Okay, a little more. There. Now put it back from its place, or to its place. And then put Ali in the bathtub. Okay, now let's get the soap. Soapy soap. Okay, now some shampoo. You want to keep your hair fabulous like mommy's? You can even have a little bit of some curls in your hair. Start them off young. See, you already have curls in your hair, like mommy's. So she seems to love it, and yeah, you could tell by all of her laughing. So let's just change your clothes, little one. Okay, we're here at their bedroom, so yeah, let's just pick out her outfit. Alright, and nope. Oh, this would look super cute for Ellie. Perfect for Ellie. Like so perfect. And the other one, the one with the pink one, is for Ellie. Oh, yeah. So let's just take. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's Ellie. Oh my gosh. That's Ellie. I thought it was Ellie. Oopsies. Sorry. This belongs to you, Ellie. I'm so sorry, Ellie and Ellie. Oh my gosh. I literally mixed them up. Sorry. Here's your pacifier, Ellie. Put your aside. Take off your pacifier, little one. And now, what else? So let's just take her on the raft as well. So cute. Oh, I should get ready now, probably. So let's pick out my outfit. Since I'm going to horse riding lessons, I'm so excited, guys. Can you believe that? What a dream. Oh my gosh. Anyways, let's just take off my headphones and then choose out my clothes. How easy is that? So I picked out these pair of shoes. What else? These socks, pair of socks. And then, excuse me. Oh, come on. These pair of clothes, they're partners. Ribbons, necklace, this glasses, and then yeah. Alright, so let's just put on my socks. Perfect. Put those aside. And then let's just take off my slippers. And then what else? Shirt. The shirt. So comfy. I don't like it. I'm just kidding. Psych! I love this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I love this. It's literally new. It's like Decora. You heard that right. Decora. Yeah. Anyways, put this on. Perfect. So cute. And then these shoes. Perfect. Rainbow forever. And then this necklace. Put it on. And then the ribbons. Yeah, so I'm all set. Oh, the glasses. Put on these glasses. And yeah, I'm all set, I guess. Yeah, bye. So yeah, I forgot to pack my bags just in case. Open it. Oh, sadly, my headphones cannot fit. Put my tablet, and then maybe some books. Books wouldn't hurt, right? 2 books, and then a few woman magazines. Okay, put it in the bag. More. There. Perfect. So yeah, I'm all set. Alright guys, I'm done taking Ellie on a bath. I didn't show the footage because she's very shy. She doesn't want people watching her while she takes a bath. Unless it's me. And I put her on her clothes. And then what else? Oh, it would look very cute if you put on these hats. Caps or something. And then Ellie's stroller. There. Perfect. And then put Ellie's pacifier and then put her in the stroller. How easy is that? Yeah. Okay. So I guess. I'm gonna win. I won. Too easy. Anyways, I should get ready now. Close my laptop. Put on this hoodie or something. And what else? I guess that's it. I can't believe it. I think Sofia is the favorite child. She always gets everything she wants. The internet says the middle child people are like the hatest child, but that's fake. Like Sofia is the middle child, and she's favorite one. And I'm the oldest child, but no one really talks to me or something. I guess it's just all fake. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're gonna get ready now. So we're just gonna go in the elevator. So let me just take Teddy. Okay, and then take him to the elevator. Okay. Put him in. There. Oops. There. Now I'm gonna take the others. Okay. Right, Daisy, you could walk now. Okay, Mommy. Let's take the twins. Okay, let's go, Daisy. Oops. Oh, we're so fast. Anyways, get in, Daisy. Get in, twins. Alright now. Kids, get in. Okay, Mom. I don't need to bring anything. Alright. Okay, I'm so excited. Can't wait. Alright, now let's go to the elevator. Slay. Alright. Let's go! Yippee! Get in, Michael! Hurry up! Okay, chill, man. Guys, stop rushing me. Just take off my neck pillow, turn off my laptop, then get in the elevator. Yee! Alright, guys. Let's just get the car ready. Right, get in the car. There. Alright, you guys ready? Yeah! Let's go! excited too. Alright, we're here, guys. Oh, they're here. Yahoo! Anyways. Oh my gosh, this place is so cute. Look at that horse. It's so beautiful. Let me introduce myself. Hi guys. My name is Maya, spelled M-I-A. Yeah, Maya. This is Isabel, my horse. Yeah, remember, I'm Maya. M-I-A, Maya. Yeah, I'm special. Well, welcome. Welcome. I'm gonna be your coach. So, yeah, Maya, M-I-A. Don't forget. M-I-A. M-I-A, yay. Maya spelled M-I-A. Oh, why is it M-I-A? It's supposed to be Mia, isn't it? Well, don't judge my name. My name is Maya. Don't be jealous that I'm better than you. At least I'm better than you. Anyways, so this is Isabel. Say hi again, Isabel. Don't be shy. Hello. Isabel, say hi. Good job, good job. Okay, good job. Alright, you can stop now, Isabel. So, your horse is at the back. I'm gonna go get her later. But a few rules, no running unless you're riding the horse. So yeah. Oops. This is the horse. It's so beautiful. Horsey, horsey, horsey. Horsey, horsey, horsey. Anyways, let me just grab the horse. So, hold on one sec. Oh my gosh, Mom, can you believe it? She's giving the horse. I'm gonna have my very own horse. Yes, we. Yay! Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. Oh, you're welcome. Let me just grab the horse. Lily, Lily, Lily! Look at me. Lily, your owner is here. Come on, Lily. Let's go. Put this on and the saddle. Alright, let's go. She will definitely scream out of joy when she sees Lily, this wonderful horse. She's so beautiful. Anyways, guys, meet Lily. This is gonna be Sofia's horse. This is Lily. Oh my gosh! Lily, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Mom, it's so pretty. Alright, hold on. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post. And don't worry, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, so don't worry. And stay tuned. I hope you like this video or love this video. Anyways, so that's all, viewers. Bye!